Alright, what's up YouTube? Today I wanted to do a quick unboxing video or just a little review on this iPhone 11 that we got from Amazon. It was $260 and we paid for the best one that we could get, excellent condition or something like that. So, upon review you can see that the whole sides and everything looks to be in like new condition. When we look at the back, you can see there's no scratches whatsoever. There's a little dust, but that's from me handling the phone. And when you look at the screen, it's no scratches. This is an excellent refurbished device. And let's power it on and see how it is. Sorry, I have these gloves on. One thing I wanted to show you guys is the battery life. I was expecting a phone not to have such a good battery life, but upon inspecting the device, you can see that they will send you a battery with 100%. So I'm really happy with that. Now we'll go check the iOS and see what version it is updated to. So we have it updated to the latest version. So if you're wondering if the iPhone 11 can handle the latest software, then yes, it can. So the phone works great. There's no problems with calling, texting, using the camera, recording, surfing the web, watching videos, uploading. The phone is in really good condition and I'm very, very impressed with it. So also in the box, we get this right here, and it basically just talks about or states all the functionalities that they tested it and it came out really good. So also the phone will come in this box right here, and it will be packaged in bubble wrap and then wrapped in this plastic right here. You'll get a charger, but it's not going to be a fast charger, so I recommend getting a fast charger if you need it, because this one won't charge that fast. And you also get a SIM pin right there. We bought this from Amazon as well. It's just a phone case. It was like 20 bucks, but I recommend this brand because it's very strong silicone and it can handle some good drops and everything. And everything came in this box right here. Besides the phone case, I had to buy that separate. So yeah, if you're looking to get you a nice affordable phone 2024, I highly recommend the iPhone 11 because it handles all the tasks that you really need. It has a sharp display, a good chip processor. It's the A13 Bionic chip, I believe. Yeah, for the average user who doesn't really need all the high-tech, functionalities of the new devices, this one can handle pretty much anything that you throw at it. And in 2024, it's still getting all the software updates, iOS 17.2.1, and I believe it'll also get iOS 18. So yeah, we purchased this from Amazon. It was $260. And it also arrived early in the mail. It was 2 days earlier. So I really hope that this video can help you make a selection in getting a new phone and maybe have a little trust in Amazon. I'm not sponsored by them. I just wanted to make this video because we had a good experience with purchasing this phone online, and I had a bad one recently, but I don't want to talk about that. So that's basically the video, and I hope you guys like it and it helps you make a decision in getting your next phone. Peace.